We got the best hairstylist in the biz here. Here we go. Yep, and all hairstylists, just like estheticians, everything, it's always the tension right up here and neck stuff. Always. That was your main area too, right? That was. Get that pelvis here. Good. Oh man. Woo.
Oh,
that was good.
that was a good one.
That was a really good one. Good. There you go. And usually with hairstylists, you're going to see a lack of curvature in the neck because your shoulders are always going to be forward. Head's going to be forward because your appointments are long, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Go in here. Wow.
Yeah, some appointments take like 4 hours.
4
plus.
hours. That's crazy. That's. Wow. Wow.